Hey, it's Carlos from Core Global Training, and I'm going to be going over the FICO chart in regards to the percentages. I know that you've seen this probably 1,000 times, whether on Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, or somewhere, right? But I'm going to give a breakdown on what all of this actually means. So 35% of your credit score is your payment history, meaning just paying your bills on time, right? So if you don't pay your bills on time, it's going to affect 35% of your credit score, which is 297.5 points. Here, 30% of your credit score is your amount of debt or your utilization. So if you have low utilization, it's going to affect, you can get up to 255 points. If you have high utilization, it's going to affect that. Then you have your length of credit history, right? 15%, and when I'm saying 15% of, I'm saying 15% of 850, right? Because that is the highest that you can get with a FICO, right? So here, this is going to affect 127.5 points. 10% new credit, meaning your increase, right? That's 85 points that that you can get up to in regards to your credit. And then your credit mix, if you have a mortgage, credit cards, things of that nature, all of that is good, and it accounts for about 85 points. So over here, right, I actually broke it down. I actually broke this down so where you can better understand it. So 35% of 850 is 297.5. 30% of 850 is 255. 15% of 850, 127.5. 10% of 850, 85 points. 10% of 850, 85 points. If you add these numbers up, that is 850. That coveted score that so many people want, but very few achieve, right? Now, I'm going to tell you this, right? And a lot of people are going to be surprised. When it comes to credit repair, ultimately, this is the only thing that we control. This, 297.5 points. That's all we control, right? Remember, 35% is what? Your payment history. So those negatives, those collections, those charge-offs, those late payments, that's because you have those because of lack of paying your bills on time, right? So this is what we're deleting. This is what we're responsible for. But you can actually still do this part right here, right? If you got if the Bureau's algorithm was giving you 100 points towards your utilization, right? Remember, that's 30% of your credit score is your utilization. 255 points. If they was giving you 100 points towards that, if you had high utilization, if you were to bring down your utilization below 30%, that's in reality is another 155 points that could be going towards your score. Now here I can say this, right? New credit, right? Us deleting inquiries can affect, up to 85 points. And also, you keep applying for credit. You got a 500 score, stop doing it. Stop applying for all these credit cards. I see people with a 500 credit score, and I look up inquiries, they don't try to get credit from American Express. Come on, like, stop it, right? If you are looking for a very savvy, very professional credit repair team, right? If you're interested in going more in debt with us about increasing your credit score and repairing your credit and us working together in unison, I just showed you what your responsibility is. Click the link below, click the link in our bio, and either myself or someone from our team will have a free consultation with you. But we would love to hear from you. Have a great day. Goodbye.